Hi, this is Christy. I'm just going to answer a few questions that I have about how I would proceed with an interview. So the first question is, have you given feedback or have you received feedback? And my answer to that is yes, I have. And I've done that through Slack. So when I receive feedback, I find it very helpful because it helps to really hone in on the product design. It helps me to really see where the design is lacking and how it can be improved upon, because the more input that I get from other people, the better the product design is overall. And then as far as giving feedback, I try to use the sandwich method, where I first give a positive aspect about somebody's design, and then I try to give constructive feedback as far as how they can improve that design. And then I try to also give another positive feedback about their design and how it is a strong design. And then my next question that I'm going to answer is, how would your team describe you as someone to work with? So when I worked at Civic Theater, my coworkers actually enjoyed working with me, and I enjoyed working with them. And every single job I've had, I've enjoyed working with people because I just love working with people. And I would rather work in a team environment rather than solo. And I think that the ideal job situation would be either going into work and being with people, or having a hybrid remote situation where I could work from home and also have that interaction with other people as well in the office a few days a week. So as long as I get to work with other people, I'm happy. And then the next question is, tell me about a difficult project, or tell about something going wrong and how you reacted. Well, what I tried to do is an approach called manage expectations. So I typically inform the manager of what's going on, tell them all of the important details, and then I inform the customers of what's going on and try to please the customers so that everybody is on board, everybody knows what's going on and what they can expect, so that they have at least a reasonable expectation and they know exactly what is going on so that everybody's happy. Finally, my next question that I have is, what type of questions would you use somebody who is interviewing you? Well, I would ask them what type of approach their team takes when they come together to find a solution for a product. So, for example, did they use Agile or Agile Scrum methodology, sprint-based product management as a solution? And some other questions that I would ask is post-pandemic related. So, how are they addressing accessibility in existing or new digital services? How are they going to improve product and service design post-COVID? How are they understanding the new or the new personas that never existed before the pandemic? How are they engaging the users with a new content strategy post COVID-19? And how are they adapting to the new UI/UX design trends that would be upcoming as well? So thank you for listening, and it was a pleasure. Have a good night.